everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for standing by, and this is me, Ishika. I post stuff on here, everything related to creativity, so if you're into that kind of stuff, do consider subscribing. I can assure you that we will get along very well. So over here you can see me doodling the moon, and for this I just started off by drawing an outline of a crescent moon and then doodling in everything I wanted, everything which came into my mind, like creative stuff, brainy mind, like that stuff. So for this I actually used only two things, that is one of my gel pens and black color, and one of my favorite Castle fine liners. These are the two things which I most probably used. My black sketch, because my black sketching needed to finish at that point. So yeah, I just used these two things because it's pretty much a black and white drawing, so that's what all you need. I was also using something to like compass to make an outline for me, to circular outline for me, so that it could just guide me throughout the and yeah, I will just play on some music for you guys so that you can enjoy this video in silence, because I'm quite chatty. So hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm back. So what you see on the screen right now is actually the end product of my doodle. So comment down below if you liked it or not, how it turned out, how I could better myself, and all stuff like that. Don't forget to watch my previous video linked on the screen right now, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.